Hey guys, it's Tim with Tim's Tech again. In this video, this will be part one of a 2-video series on installing my programs on this Toshiba M105 PC, laptop PC. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And let's get started. First, let's go over some specs again. First, it's running Windows XP Home Edition, version 2002, Service Pack 3. As you can tell, it's a Toshiba. Has the Toshiba brand there. Has an Intel CPU. Intel CPU T1350 running at 1.86 gigahertz. With 2 gigs of RAM this time. I upgraded the RAM to 2 gigabytes. And we still have the same programs on before. Let's take you through those as a review. You got some Toshiba software, recovery disk creator. You got some WinDVD, ArcSoft program trial software with WinDVD, Malwarebytes. Got Security Essentials, which is what is essentially Windows Defender and all that. We have one game on there at this point. Did a test run on this, and this game works pretty well. SimCity, Streets of SimCity. And now let's go through what I want to install on here for next video. The first one is I want to try Oregon Trail. It's an old game I used to play in school all the time. Battleship. Jeopardy. And try to install that. Uno. And these are copies of CDs I made from archives.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Got Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. Monopoly. Original Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2. Comes with the original manual there. SimCity 2000, one of my favorites. Sim Tower was also a good game. I remember when I was little, I used to play that all the time. The Sims. This is all the Sims on one DVD. All 8 of them. The original computer Sims. I'm going to install a truck, 18 Wheels of Steel on there from this big bundled diesel pack. We'll get more into that when I install these. Zoo Tycoon 1, Disc 1 and 2. We'll try to install those as well. You got a Hidden Expedition Titanic. It's a game where you get to find stuff in different levels. Here's the requirements for that game. And I have all that. And the last one, Pharaoh. If you don't know what that is, it takes place, you're building an Egypt empire back in times of Egypt, old Egypt times. And then next video we'll do some testing. And right now I want to show you that. Oh, might need the disc. I'll show you that next time. I'll be right back and show you that games do work on this computer. And we'll take a look at some Windows games. Alright guys, we're back. This one's already installed. One last game I'm going to install is Hoyle Board Games. It's an old classic game I used to play on Windows 98. Bunch of different board games in there. But we're going to put this CD in to show you that games will play on here. We'll take a look at some retro games from XP. So let's cancel this. Let's load that up. And the sound on this thing is great. As you can tell, we get, let's mute the sound. Let's mute the sound right now. Okay, as we can tell, the CD does load. Let's proceed. Little bit of glitch there. It's okay. You can tell it's working on that. Let's exit this one. There we go. Exit. Let's take a look at some retro Windows XP games here. If it's installed. The ones I like to play is Minesweeper. If you all remember this one's a real classic. This was one of my favorite games to play as a kid. And we got a mine. Check out in it. I did like Solitaire. That's the regular classic Solitaire there. My other favorite was Pinball. 3D Pinball. It came on every install of Windows XP, which was awesome. I love this game. Play a little bit for you. I used to get good scores on this. A little bit of pinball there. Pinball action. In the next video, and I also got some games on this hard drive. I'll plug it in and show you that I'm going to install from. Let's load it to my computer. Oh, nope, we don't need to do that. I got some Retro XP games. Crazy Taxi. Got a Monopoly right there. Got Roller Coaster Tycoon Deluxe. That's #1. Got Mall Tycoon, which was another good game. That's all that I'll do in that folder. Let's go. We'll try to extract get some of these on here. We got SimCopter, Flight Simulator 2002, XP Plus, Simpsons Cartoon Studio. And that's what I'm going to install in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and have yourselves a nice one.